just up in Glen again, to the north side of the road, so it's sort of north east side as you come into Glen. Got to be doing to the Munros, this side of the road, so that's just looking over the ridge back here as well. Absolute cracking weather today. I'm hoping that it's going to stay like this, but I think it's meant to be blue sky all day, so it's looking good. Pretty cold now, it's about -1 now down in the Glen here, so just came up round the road here and up. The van's just parked there, a couple of guys in the camper van sleeping, so I thought I'll make my way up a wee bit. But it's looking good. It's ceased to do up there in the corner as well. That path sort of comes up here, right up. I'm sure that's a Corvette. They drop back down and back onto it. I'm just going to take off here and up the side here and catch a path again. The GPX was telling me to go up the other side there, but there isn't actually a path there, so it must just be make your own way up to the top and catch it there. So I'm just going to head up this bit here and catch it, follow the ridge right round onto the first one. So I'll catch you in a wee while. Just another wee check-in. That's me sort of left the track down here, and it just comes straight up. I'm basically going back up onto this shoulder here, then we'll be coming across up over that shoulder. I think the first top's not far after that. Then we'll be heading out in the distance. I'm not too sure if that's the second top away in the distance, I need to double check. The views are absolutely brilliant. That's a wee Coney Inn pub and hotel down there. The van's just sort of down here. I don't know if it's picking up, but it's just amazing up here. There's not a lot of wind on this side, but I don't know what it'll be like at the top, so fingers crossed there'll not be too much wind. Maybe get better footage rather than a lot of wind noise going through it. So I'm just going to keep going now. I'll catch in at the top of this bit up here. Okay. This should be the first one here, first Munro of the day. Just absolutely stunning. Oh, the way right in here. There's 3 over there. I was going to actually do them today, but I decided to do these 2. Looking at the Ben Nevis, Great Quarries, back down to Chralaig where Essien is, Glen, Ballahoolish, Squirdownal, Glen Ridge, Chralaig, at the back as well, Noidart at the back. Back here to the saddle, which was at last week, securing the sign. This is the brothers here, and the 5 sisters coming along here as well. Just views everywhere. I'm going to get to the top of the first one and see what it's like, because there's quite a lot of snow for the middle, basically coming up to the middle of April. Wasn't expecting it, so we'll see how this first one is. We're going to the second one or no, but I'll catch up with you at the top. Okay. Hi folks, just checking in. That's me at the top of the first one. Quite a impressive cairn this one's got, it's massive. Basically just looking back out the way you came in this morning there, the road comes in up Glen shiel, looking back to the Nevis, the ridge, basically Glen shiel ridge, and where we were last week as well, up into Kintail, further up north away up to Torridon. It's absolutely stunning today. I've made it to the top of the first one, but there's a lot of snow and I just don't, the next one's got quite a bit of ridge on it, so I've got to make a decision whether I carry on or just turn back, just do the one today and just need to come back the other day and do the other one. No want to risk it on the ridge. I'll go down a wee bit and see what it's like first. Wasn't expecting this much snow at this time of year. It wasn't really forecast, it must have just happened last night or the night before. So it's quite fresh. So but I thought I'd get the one in the day. It's still been a good day. Can't beat it. Wee tiny bit of wind, that's been it. Had the drone up there, so hopefully there'll be a lot of good footage for the drone as well. So even if it is, if I need to turn back, still be enjoyable driving back down as well. Maybe stop and get some pictures as well. So I'll just carry on and see. I'll have a wee look done first. I'll figure out where I'm going to go or not. The cairn just behind me there, I just came down to this wee bit here. It's really high cornicing as well. I need to drop down here and right across this ridge, you know, all the way out there, but I don't think I'm going to take the chance of doing that. Can always come back another day, because this just looks so fresh. This could just drop at any point, so I'm not even going to go any further. I'll just retrace my steps back down the first one. This one's a ridge walk all the way out, so no point taking any chances on it. But the walk back down this one will be quite enjoyable anyway. It's pretty straightforward. There's nothing, no danger bits on it, so aye. Well, maybe catch up on the way down again. Okay. Right folks, that's me down at the bottom again, wee road here, just takes me along this wee bridge back to the van. Just doing the one today, made the decision not to go to the second one via that ridge. It was all fresh snow, it was all corners, wasn't taking a chance, it was all loose as well, so didn't have my ice axle that with me anyway, so no point in taking a chance. I'll come back another day and do it, so but it's still been a cracking day. Weather's been amazing, a bit cold at the top right enough, but it's been brilliant. Got a lot of good drone footage, so hopefully that'll show up on the video as well. So I'm just going to head back to the van now, get something to eat and make my way back down the road. So it's been pretty good anyway. It's not been a wasted journey anyway. Still got this is the highest one in Glen shiel anyway, so got that in, so it's a good thing. Oh well, right, I'll see you again.